Hello and welcome. It is official. The word is given. If you go to tpug.ca and check out the World of Commodore 2024 page, you will see that on Saturday, November the 30th, 2024, starting at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and Sunday, December the 1st, 2024, starting at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, the World of Commodore is happening. It is, again, as it has been for a very long time, at the Admiral Inn, 2161 North Sheridan Way, Mississauga, Ontario, L5K1A3. And then there's all kinds of instructions on directions and public transit and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, and it is sponsored, a platinum sponsor of this event is Retro Rewind. They, of course, make all kinds of things. I use their diagnostic cartridge and harness when working on Commodore 64. A beautiful, magical thing. But they make lots of other things. And one of the things I haven't got from them yet, but I will, is they sell kits to recap things. And this is important because capacitors go bad. And it's much nicer to be able to get all that you need rather than going into the store and saying, I need one of these and one of these and one of those and seeing how it goes. So it's very handy. Anyway, so the World of Commodore 2024. November 30th, December 1st, 2024, the Admiral Inn. It'll be nice to see you there. And I have heard a rumor that Rudy from Rudy's Retro Intel is going to come back, and he has a very few of his pet companion boards left that are fully assembled, that he, if things go as planned, that he will be selling at the show. And if you don't know what the Pet Companion is, he did a presentation last year, and basically it lets you connect alternate video output devices to the pet. He did a very fine demonstration. And as he says, he uses it when he is fixing pets, instead of having to take the thing out and put the thing back in and, diddle around, that he can basically have it on the board and have it on his workbench, and then, do things and test things, and it saves a lot of time. It does. Also, if you have a pet that you don't know if the monitor's working, you can connect it and to another monitor and say, oh, look at that, see what's what. So, yes. Oh, also, Rudy was working hard, and if you've watched his video and stuff, he's been working hard on Super Pet things for many a month. And he's produced 2 manuals. And this is not a guarantee, but it's possible he may be selling the full printouts of the manuals in their current state. Because, looking at something on the screen is fine, but having it in front of you that you can just, keep going over and make notes and such is sometimes preferable. Anyway, and I'm going to see what I can gather that maybe, because of course I'm trying to declutter, so maybe I will bring some things to sell as well. And of course, if anybody is looking for something specific, that, did I say Pacific or specific? If anyone's looking for something specific, don't hesitate to contact me, and maybe we can meet up at the show, and I can bring whatever it is you're looking for. I keep on saying I'm going to sell things. I just haven't been really good at it. Anyway, see you at the World of Commodore at the Admiral Inn in Mississauga, Ontario, November 30th and December 1st of 2024. Go to tpug.ca and search for the link that has all the particulars, all the specifications, and I'm assuming little by little there'll be more presentations listed and anything else. And don't forget, Saturday night. Saturday night is typically when people who are interested in going drop by the local Swiss Chalet and all hang out and rejoice and talk and share stories and have a good old time. So we'll see you there. Until then, stay tuned and do have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.